Alright. Box 15 na ta, box 15. Excuse me, Elvie. Sakto ba?
Mom, I'm kind of kid. Yeah.
That's what I was saying earlier that the gym, if we're doing box day, the gym would be like right about here.
A little bit. Oh, yeah, perfect. You guys ready?
Yeah.
And we're not sure it's gonna fit.
While.
We're not sure it's gonna fit.
Huh?
We're not sure it's gonna fit. We're just guesstimating. Estimation.
Bakit naligi siya? 'Cause it was.
We just
it
traded
was-
a few items to be
Yes.
larger size.
Only 3 things that we put actually. That's
So hopefully it
gamay.
works out.
If it's more space, then we can just swap it last
This
minute.
one's very difficult.
No, that's fine lagi.
So the first thing actually you do is put like some of the pillows and squishy underneath it so it fills some of the underneath space.
That's why this one first gone, and then the small items you
Tack
can
it around.
tack
Okay, sure.
around.
Let's do it.
Oh my goodness, it's
Welcome
been a
back.
while, my friend, Madam Sir. We really have to do this kay nga no, we have
Rain or shine?
Rain or shine.
Heat or cold? Am I or
Balikbayan
Daco?
Balikbayan box number 50. Yeah, 50. 1 5.
That's a good sick actually.
1 5. Yay! Congrats. In advance.
Okay, so for the item number 1, LV, go ahead and put it in there. It's gonna be the tricycle.
Yay. The only issue is
Missing one pedal.
na missing
One
yung-
pedal.
Yeah, one
You can
pedal.
still ride it. Just
Pero-
Let me show. Maybe you can't
Let
see.
me help you out there, bud.
Yeah.
Yay, magamay madako.
Ooh,
Wala
oh, it is a heavy one. This
Is
is
it?
heavy duty.
heavy.
Did you guys ever check
Oh,
I told you, Mom.
it's not a 50. Ay. Hala, balik-balik. Ako siya yung symbol ni
it? You guys never checked it?
I told you.
Wala na ako siya i-check.
We gotta check it first. Nope, this ain't gonna make it. We have to
Hala.
disassemble or
Okay,
something.
go get some items, some toys, the big items that we can set. Balik this one. Okay, cut. Balik. Okay, we're back.
Alright, we successfully swapped out item number 1 with something similar. This it
Yay.
reminds me when Basayev was a baby, we have one similar to this.
It's a baby llama. Boink, boink, boink.
Boing, boing, boing.
Are you saying with numbers this?
No, it's okay because we already counted it, already did it. So turn around and turn around.
So we have a Monopoly game.
Yes!
What's that board game?
Monopoly's awesome. Teaches you about life.
Boy, Teddy.
Fluffy, soft. And this one is for your fluffy, soft tummy. You can make some fajitas. It's a brand new fajita set. Really cool. Infused. Cast iron. Yeah.
Tapos na tayo brand new 4 pesos full sets para sa inyong
Small, soft stuff.
kuan. Girl, baby girl.
We have a Bud Light color blue river raft, like river floaty.
No, it's
Number
not a
2.
raft. It's not a raft. And this is a skeleton backpack. I think on the movie, but I didn't watch the movie, but it's
Yeah, do it
a
like
school backpack.
School backpack. Very nice.
Black.
And this is a black notebook.
Probably.
Used for school. Great for the backpack.
And this is a watchtower teapot.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's actually from great grandma.
Shout out to great grandma in
Shout out
heaven.
to great grandma from heaven. We miss you.
This is a nice game. You can play it on the beach. You can play it anywhere. It's a catch. I think it's called sketch because you don't just catch, you stick and catch.
In a Barbie pillow, brand new with a tag. Again guys, ang atong pa-items is all tanan for free. A total of 66 items including pa-computer, pa-Chromebook to Madam Sir, anywhere sa Pinas. And tanan po maka-join, banat lang ta daily and abang-abang.
And this is Pila from us from Florida.
It is a sponge from Florida.
Squishy. We found this at the beach.
It was. That's a beach sponge, and this one is a wall backdrop with organic cotton saying "Reach for the stars."
We got a cute cactus plant, glass desktop decoration, album.
Mom likes albums.
Okay, we also have para kay Sir, Polo Club, perfume. Tapos kay Madam, Forever 21 necklace. Okay, bagamay madako, compare siya ni mo.
And this is
Okay,
a
do the small
blue
ones,
nice
guys.
decoration.
Landscape decoration. Yep.
Garden decoration.
This right here is like a football, American football launcher.
You almost hit me.
Alright, and this is a hat,
It's
a
fine.
gray hat.
And this is a donkey teddy. Stuffed animal.
We got a lucky charm glasses.
This is a kid's floaty with all sharks all over it.
Tapos napuntay pa Vaseline, the original. And soap. Tawag ni ka ng
Cereal bowl?
cereal bowl. Tapos a whole set of
Coasters.
posters. And a kitchen towel. Magamay madako.
Speaking of kitchen, I really like coffee. And this is a super cool, unique Gojo coffee porcelain mug. Super cool.
And this is a crown. I'm just joking. This is, you put a cake on it and you made cake stand on it.
And this is a computer.
Whoa! DJ got the computer! Woo!
Ace's computer, don't drop it.
Aces, be careful.
Boy,
bud,
we
don't
have
drop
to
that.
double check ato ang pa-computer. So that, do that.
Can you make sure it's the right charger?
Yes.
Only one. Only one charger.
Yay!
Yeah.
Magpapulo, ganun yung siyang color.
Nice color.
very
Is it the
pretty.
one with gray? Yeah, gray inside. Nice.
Guapa.
Penny hat.
A pini hat.
A nice blue and gray blanket.
Isa true pillow, ay true blanket. So napuntay pa, tawagan ni ka ng gamit ka ni Yaya. So this is Yaya's pre-love. Kung Halloween hair clips. Tapos napuntay pa suction cup para sa bathroom or sa kitchen. Tapos a pink bath salt. Kung siya, perfect siya sa inyong hamba ng pag-uli sa balay. Ambot ka na siya initubig ba? And it's a so inyong tiil, ana. Okay, tapos we have a kitchen for your kiddos. Magamay madako.
Beach hat and beach toys.
Perfect.
And this is the chili thing. You get like a chili glass plate and you put food in there.
I like that one, like a chili.
This one's a brand new
Loofah. Yep, so you can do like your Enoch or your side of your face or anywhere you want with that one. This one, it's a porcelain cup, very unique and ornate. I think it's mostly for pouring something. Very nice.
Okay, natay branded, brand new belt for unisex na siguro ni siya. From Calvin Klein, ayan. Magamay madako a size medium. Guwapa siya, madam. Like Yaya o like kay Madam Sir. Again, kung dili ni mo siya bet, then PIF. Because that's our PIF movement. Okay? Sharing, sharing.
This is umbrella.
Very nice. Don't need to take it out. No, it's nice and new. Yeah, it's hard to get back.
And this is ice cream. It looks like something like Scoopos, but it's actually a puzzle.
It is a puzzle of many different ice creams. That's gonna make you gutom kayo. This one is a little very cute porcelain vase for your mini flower from your admirer.
This is a nice.
Guwapa siya.
Hey, what's it called again?
It's a picture frame.
Oh yeah, picture frame.
From muna ko mga bet sa Gold State Park. O, ayan, the pier. Guwapa siya. Tapos, napuntay pa, stretch, slip covers para sa yung sofa. Brand new. Ayan. O, diba? Tanan, puro gamit sa balay, puro mga essentials. And again, please PIF kung dili ni mo bet or, yeah, sa imong kaila para good this for everybody.
And this is a big blue rain jacket,
Wow, very
extra large with brand new tag.
Very nice, Pagtanern. I got some pay it forward shoes. I didn't wear these very much at all. Not sure really why, but they're ready to be used again to the next person. And this bar of very special boutique lemon soap.
We have kid size Lucky Charm socks and pants size extra large.
Is this your size?
No.
It's probably a little small for me now.
And this is a koozie for your water bottle. And this is a black long pants, brand new with tag.
A jacket, a rain jacket or a wind jacket. This is size small.
What's mom? Oh, that's mama's
Remembrance. Yeah.
We got nightgown.
We have a matching with Eddie.
Okay, this one is a skull glass mug.
Cinco de Mayo.
Cinco de Mayo. Or pangkalag-kalag or for gift or for what?
What's it called in the day of
Kalag-kalag.
Kalakalag? Kalakalag. And this is for the mama. Mother, dear mother of mine, you've always been there. It's so good that you love me. You know that you care.
Okay, this is a brand new glasses. I'm gonna take it out. Open it. This is brand new glasses. I take it out. I shouldn't take it
Guwapa
out.
na siya. Oh, bet na ko yung color. Gold
Oh, I
and
remember this.
black.
I'm stupid for taking it out.
Alright. Take your time, show to the world what we got for Balikbayan box number
I remember-
50.
Stylish.
Go pa siya, try.
Right?
wow.
I think it matches mom.
I think this is unisex.
Nice.
Okay, brand new. New with the tag, with the box. Ayan. Magamay madako. And ako na po din sunod. And para, queen purse, para sa inyong baby girl. Guwapa. Is it a Barbie? Ay, American girl. American girl.
This is the nice purple bag.
Perfect siya, love.
You can put stuff inside. And this is a nice black wallet.
Mm-hmm.
Although
Is that Aldo? Wow.
brand new tag.
Fuck the nerd, Waldo. And this is Life as We Knew It. It's a scholastic book from Susan Peffer. And interesting fictional read.
Game day branded beach. What?
Ay, guwapa.
Beach shirt.
Beach throw?
Ay, pong babae.
Beach girl. I don't know. Oh, beach girl. I never.
Yeah, it's like sarong.
Asarong.
And then we also have, kanang taon ka na mag-travel bitaw ka, ibutang imong mga knickknacks. This is from Kindle and Kylie. Guapa, Los Angeles Studio bag. I know, dagan kaayo pang babae. Hindi mo pinako mapugo si sir nga magpalit-palit pang lalaki. So, sharing is caring na lang. Okay? Magamay man ako.
And this is a brand new with tag.
Guapa,
11 size.
pang babae na po.
What'd you call it? What is it? Flip flops? I thought I was gonna wonder if you're gonna say chinilas. Chinilas or flip flop. Yay!
Okay, that's it for
Congratulations.
Balikbayan box number 15. Congratulations.
Gamar na ko! Don't forget to pay it forward!
Nako, magamay mo na. Mula ginig. Kanang ito na, naputol bitaw, tapos magbalik na po ka, mura bitaw, first back to school again, or first back to work. So anyway, congratulations guys. Again guys, how to PIF. PIF lang po itong latest box sa from the YT. Kailangan itong full video na to sa inyong profile. Make sure naka-public lagi siya. Kailangan mo gani PIF. And tag the page. Pay it forward as your caption. And DC to Yaya, one time lang. How to DC lang po. Valid ID. Okay, valid ID. Tapos inyong location kung asa to ipadala ang free Balikbayan box 15. Alright. Fast forward.